Okay folks, you're going to see me do successive loops. Things are changing that fast. Now they got the big digger over here. And they've got that big metal protector over here also. I saw him pick it up a few moments ago. I'm just going to go across and come back. Now, the other one around the front, the hole they dug there, they put a big metal protector in the ground, and there's a guy in the hole now, and I've got a camera over there. Now I know we're looking at the back of another truck, but I'm just going to go across and come back. So that we get a face-on look at what's happening at my intersection. So looking directly across, we see the big shovel working, and they got the big protector standing on end there. He might be just re-landscaping it, but over to the right, where you see the orange mesh wrapped up, there's a guy with a ladder. He's come up out of the hole. I have my camera up on the hill, and now the big digger's coming back in that direction. Or what is he going to do? He's just maneuvering around. So there's major work at this corner, which suggests to me that they found a leak when they did the pressure test yesterday. And notice there's no work on the other side of the intersection. That means the water was visible in the ground over here. Yeah. To be continued. Hello folks, this is another segment. There's nobody behind me. And you see the guys, they're down in the hole. Oh, that's interesting. See that big protector? I would have thought it would be down in the hole with them. Anyway, the reason why I'm making this segment is I want to show you something. In the immediate previous segment that I'm showing you, I mentioned that up on the knoll on my property is a stake with an orange fencing mesh, and that actually is where I had set up a camera. And when I was setting it up, there was some guys working down here on facing US 64, and they saw me and I waved at them. They waved back. But by the time I got into the car to do the loop to get this outside view, apparently one of them climbed the hill and put the stake in and put the mesh in front of the camera and entangled the camera. So I'm going to assume that there may be a top secret reason why video recording here is forbidden or restricted. Now I've been making this series as the pipeline project has gone along. No one coming from behind me, because I think I've been watching what's been going on. I think it's really interesting. So if you look over there diagonally to the right, you can see the orange mesh on a stake. That wasn't there when I set up the camera, and as I said, the guy saw me setting it up, and he smiled, and I waved at him, and he nodded his head, but nobody called out, say, don't do that. So I guess there may be a reason why they don't want to have a camera up there looking down into that hole. That may be a top secret hole, we never know. And there the guys are in the hole there working. Steve A. Before Yell, being nosy, saying see you in 73.